Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a lotus with pond. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. To know the next drawing, please watch the video till the end. Come, let's start. First step is to draw an oval shape, one to the left side and another oval to the right side. Now join these two oval with the help of alphabet small m. Now draw sharp edge oval all over the center part. Draw small sharp edge in between the two big oval. Now draw two curved lines parallelly. Now we are going to draw the second lotus. First step is to draw a sharp edge oval. Second step is to draw two sharp edge oval, one to the left and another to the right side. Now draw two small sharp edge oval in between all the two big ovals. Now draw leaves, bud, and stem. Now draw pond with sleeping curves. Draw leaves with a random closed oval or circle. Let's start coloring. Today I am going to use watercolor. Pink color. Don't worry if you don't have a pink color. Just mix red and white. Eventually, you will get pink color. Make sure give the boundary first and start filling the color inside so that the color won't go outside. Light green color for the stem and for the leaves. Sky blue color for the pond. white color, yellow color, now give black for the outline. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw an igloo. See you.